Hey guys, Fishy here, and I'm learning a lot helping moderate some of the groups that I've been helping. And I saw this profile want to come and join the group, and there wasn't really anything to go on as far as what I could learn except for this profile. It had a couple of pictures on it, people like Zishan Malik commenting on these pictures, and that was about it. When I looked at friends, if I go back up to the top and I look at friends here, I can see that it shows some people. It says following. I don't know if they're actually friends, but these are the folks that are Lona here, the Lona profile, is interacting with. And none of them look like they would be somebody she might come into contact if she were interested in American politics, etc. So what do? I took that profile to Stalk Scan. I put Lona's link up here, which I got right up here in the bar here where it shows what webpage you're on. So I took that link and I entered it in, and it populated all kinds of searches. If I wanted to see the posts that Lona had made before, I could click there, and it's just the same pictures that we saw on her wall. Now, for contrast, I took my own profile and loaded it in here, and I'll hit posts, and this is what I've published today. I took a picture at Target, and I talked about that. Here's an article about Jordan Peterson. Here's another Unfakery post. Here's something I posted in one of the groups that I'm in. So you can see I have a lot of different things going on. That's what a normal profile would look like. But Lona here doesn't really have anything except pictures, so that's a little suspicious. Also, when I want to go and look at the groups that Lona might be in, it's all Trump related, it looks like. Almost all the way Trump related here. And that's okay. There's nothing necessarily wrong with that. It's just not real to me. Interests, pages of interest, jobs alert in Pakistan. Oh, that's interesting. Democratic Pakistan. So now we're seeing something a little bit different from what we anticipated looking at that profile on the surface. So that's valuable. We can go down here to places and see if there's any check-ins. There are no check-ins, but if you go to my profile and we load up check-ins there, places all, you'll see I've been a lot of places. I've been National Harbor, I've been to Katy, Texas, the airport at Houston, Texas Southern University, so all sorts of places that you'll find me. But that's not what we're seeing reflected in Lona's places on her profile. Let's look at one more thing. Comments on pictures. This one is really telling because even if they've scrubbed their profile, they probably haven't gone back and taken the comments that they've made off of the pictures that they've commented on other people's profiles. And this is where Lona has spent her energy, talking to people about these photos. And when I go to this one, this guy right here, I've already looked at him. I know this is here, and I'm looking for a comment from Lona, and I keep scrolling. Here it is. And then, thank you, dear Naveed Khan. It's Lona. So with that little bit of research, it took a few minutes to get through everything. I can definitely tell that Lona's not someone I'm going to introduce into that group. So Lona gets blocked, Lona gets banned. We never see anything out of Lona. And that's how it should be for good group moderators. So if you're a group moderator and you need help in figuring out how to screen the many requests that you get when there are so many coming from Macedonia, coming from India, coming from Pakistan, let me know. Let me know. We would be happy to help give you some help and assistance and training in how to do this better. If you have a Trump-related group especially, these folks are gunning for your membership. They're trying to exploit your membership that you've built for clicks, for revenue, or even worse, try to influence them subtly politically with these messages. So get in touch with us. Let us know how we can help, and let's get those groups shaped up a bit. In the meantime, share this video with your friends and let them see how easy it is to use the Stalk Scan tool to find fakers.